the beginning where it all started from. Basic. Now let's go to level 2. Let's add some passing chord. Now level 3, open voicing. Now level 4. My lifetime in 5 levels, and I'm going to break it down step by step. I'm Alex, and my number 1 goal is to help self-taught pianists level up their sound. So let's start from the beginning. This song is a very simple song in the key of C, then A minor, then D minor, then G. So like that. So level 1. Like that. Okay, now let's go to level 2. I play the passing chord to D minor, which is our Re. Then I played my F minor, then back to my C, but I played this on my right hand. So let's take it again. So this gives you a nice R&B sound. Okay. Now level 3. Level 3, we did open voicing. This is what I played. I've opened my voicing. And on my left hand, I used my stretched voicing. Okay, I have a video about this stretched voicing on the left hand. So you can click here to view, or I'll link it in the description. Then on my A minor, I play that. Okay. Right. A minor, this chord. Then on my D minor, I play this. See, my left hand, stretch voicing. Okay? If you can't reach this, you can use a pedal to roll over these notes like that. As simple as that. Then you play this. Okay? Then on my 5, I played that. Okay, you can play this or you can play that. So let's take it from the top. Or this. Okay, now level 4. I play this, then let me take it again. Right. and I play that. You can play this chord over the 5. Okay. For instance, listen. Okay. All right, so let's continue. Then, okay, then, okay, all right, and I played this passing transition on my 1. So under normal circumstance, I'm supposed to play this La, Si, but I play this for my La. Right. Then I continued. Right. And over my 5, you can actually play this chord. Okay, one more time. So let's take it all together. Get that, right? And I also play this. Okay, I play diminished chords, diminished chord over my 6. Then over my 2, I play this chord. Then over my 5, I play this chord. Okay, so okay. Then over my 5, I play that. I played another version, which is this. Okay. Right, so this is my transition to my 6. This chord, that chord, that chord, and I made the 6 a major. Okay, now here's the thing. I pretended as if I was in the key of A. In the key of A, this is my 3 in the key of A. Okay, so A to my 3, then to my 4, okay, then to my 5, then I came back to my C. Am I going too fast? Okay, if I'm going too fast, if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below. I would answer every single one of them. Let me put everything together. That was level 5. Now level 4, level 1. let's go to level 2. Now let's go to level 4. Now, if this video helped you, someone out there is looking for the same information to help him become better in church. So like this video, because when you like this video, YouTube shows this video to people out there who may need this information, right? Now, I want to hear from you. Which of them was your favorite? Is it level 1, level 2, level 3, or level 4? Leave it in the comments below. I'll be reading every single one of them. Hey, I'm Alex. Now that you know this information, let's go out there and make some news. Bye.